And what's up, guys? So today we're going to be playing a game called Bote Ride. Should we play the game? Yes, we should. Let's load in. Alright, we're in a private server playing a game called Bote Ride, which actually went popular a couple of months ago. But I'm kind of late, so I'm going to play it today. I think you get to go on one of these boats. Oh wow, I can control it. Didn't know I could do that. What? This is so confusing. What the hell? I have to control the boat. What is this? Real life or something? Roblox? Are you getting too realistic? Alright, let's go. Big drop. Whee! Oh, well, are we gonna go flying? Please don't go off the edge. Phew. I can explode the boat if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do it because I'm in a private, not a public. Sorry, guys. Got a cough. Is that the wrong way? I'm not doing this. Sorry. So sorry. Alright, let's go for round 2. We're going back way this time because I think I went on the wrong way on purpose. Hands up. No thank you. Plus, I'm doing it in this mode because you can play it on VR. So you can do it on the VR. Sorry about the noise. I live near a train station, so I'm sorry. Oh wait, I jumped off. Wait, where did my boat go? What? Where did my boat go? This is so weird. What the hell? And then I get bombarded by my boat. What's that room over there? I've only played this like 3 times, but I'm doing it for Red. And also, can you guys subscribe to my Games Kids channel because I'm posting a video on there. So I only post once a week on that channel. So maybe please subscribe to that one so we can hit 50. Thank you. Alright, let's go. And your goal on this channel, guys, is to hit 100. Not 100. You can tell that I just woken up. I meant 500. Alright. Hopefully I don't jump off this time. Alright, we're safe so far. Now we go that way. Oh my god, it's a bear. Alright, let's see where we'll go. We're safe so far. Okay. God, it's dark in here. Also, W to the game develops because this is a really good game. So W. And it's really dark in here. So good job, developers, for making it dark. Oh my god. Perfect landing. What? Does it always do that? Put it down in the comments below. And if you want to see me do a special video when I hit 500, don't hit that sub button because I've got a brilliant idea coming when I hit 500. And please, can we hit it before this Christmas now? Please. If you didn't know, I started this channel in 2023. And I've got 100 something 2025. So So if you could help me out, thank you. Oh, big drop coming. Whee! Actually, I think it was 2024. But it takes like a year for me to hit my first milestone. Oh, what? Why am I surfing? Why am I surfing on a boat? Guys, I think I should just stick to the predictions now for I done my gaming video, got sore throat. Also, in the comments on my results video, I will put the Scotland versus Patty scores and Brazil versus guitar scores in the comments of that video, so you can check it out if you want to. And I just made a prediction video for the World Cup, and Ravi and Giza. I just looked at Ravi and Giza. Why is that son a baby? What? This game's weird. This game's actually really weird. What's that rainbow over there? Alright, this is not Giza. This is the Roblox Giza. Oh, slipped. Alright. Guys, I think I got 2 free collabs coming up soon. But I hadn't picked them yet, but hopefully they say yes, because this channel, because I need some collabs in this channel. On this channel, I've only collabed with... Oh yeah, big tunnel coming. I'll tell you after. Whee! Yeah, on this channel I only collabed with Kai and Clay, but hopefully on like this channel... Oh my god, my boat! I can collab with more, because on Newbie channel, he's got like... Oh my god! I'm flying! Happy birthday to... Alright, before we leave the video, I'm going to see what's actually inside of there, because I'm actually curious as hell. Oh, you can change the seats. Damn it, it's a premium feature. Alright guys, I'll see you on the kids run today. Bye. Bye-bye.